Is there someone on Facebook whose content you absolutely love and adore and don't want to miss a second of their Facebook Live broadcasts? Sheryl Plouffe here, video strategist, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly set notifications so that you never miss a beat. I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device as well as on your desktop. So let's head over to my computer and I'll show you how it's done. This is the Growth Academy, which is my good friend Nicole Pereira's new Facebook page for her business consultancy. So I'm going to use this as our example here. So the first thing you'll want to do is find the page in question that you want notifications for. So in this case, I'm going to like the page, and then I'm going to hit on the three little dots. You'll see now that the following button is checked off. See this following button here? When you click on that, it's defaulted to get notifications. You can actually choose to edit those notifications, whether you want to use standard, you want to see the highlights, or you want to turn the notifications off. But in this case, we're just going to do the highlights. You can also here turn on the notifications for the lives, Facebook Lives. So that's how you would do that. And then you would also, if you wanted to choose offers, you could do that as well. So I'm going to go back into the notifications and then back to the page. So that's how you would set notifications for not only the page and the posts, but also for Facebook Live from your mobile device. Let's now take a look at how we would add these notifications from the desktop. Using our same Growth Academy page example, I have unliked it just for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm going to start from scratch and show you how you would do this. So from the desktop, you are on the page in question. You will hit the like button, and you'll notice that the following button automatically is highlighted. If you go over to the little arrow here right next to following and you slide down, you will see that you have a variety of different, let me just go down a little further so you can see that a little bit better. You'll have a variety of different options here from a notification standpoint. Whether you want to see this content first in your news feed, you can set this to see first, meaning that you will see and it would prioritize the content in your newsfeed from this page so that you'll see more of it. So you can choose to see first. And then here are notifications. So if I can just go over here, I can either choose to turn off the notifications or leave the notifications on. If I just click on this little pencil, it will open this up into a pop-up box that allows you to see the same things we saw on the mobile, which were the standard, the off button, and the highlights. So up to you to how you want to, set that up. And you can even go back into newsfeed here, and the same features are here only in a pop-up box. So I'm going to leave it on see first, and I'm going to choose highlights. If you choose standard or highlights, you will get notifications for their Facebook Live feed broadcasts. If you have this turned off, then obviously you won't. But if you have highlights or standard, that will work for you. You will see those Facebook Live notifications for this particular page. The other thing to note is that while a page is going live, you'll have the option to subscribe. And if you hit the subscription, if you subscribe to that page on a Facebook Live, you'll be then notified of any future lives that they do. So there you have it. Just set those notifications on your mobile, on your desktop. The choice is yours. Be sure to like this video, share it with your network if it was helpful, and as well, subscribe to this channel. New videos come out every Thursday, and don't forget to hit the bell. I'll see you in the next video.